What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I have some very exciting breaking news for you guys. Sonos, which you guys know is a big player in the wireless audio game, has actually sent me, right here behind us, 2 subs. Now, why would they be sending me 2 subs? Well, now, as of Tuesday the 8th, December the 8th, they are going to be updating their app and software so that we can actually hook up dual subs in a surround sound configuration. You guys know that I've made videos on the Sonos Arc as well as the SLs, which are their surround speakers, with the Sonos sub, but that was just 1 sub. So you could actually have, technically, it's like a 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos system with the height effects inside of the Sonos Arc. But now, with the additional subwoofer at the back of the room, or just having 2, it's gonna be a really, really immersive experience. And I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. People have been asking us for a long time if Sonos has the ability to add in multiple subs, and you've always had the ability to add in multiple subs like to each room, but you could never, or have separate subs in each room, but you could never have 2 separate subwoofers running actively off of 1 system. So this is gonna take the home theater experience to the next level. I'm just super excited to be able to break this news to you guys, and I'm happy to be a partner with Sonos. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, including Sonos, make sure to give us a ring. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. Now, you gotta subscribe to the channel because within the next few days, I'm gonna be releasing videos on actually taking these guys out, the app setup, letting you know how easy it is or not, what I think of the experience, if it's better, and then doing some demos. I know you guys love demos, so you gotta subscribe to the channel down below. I hope that you guys are as stoked as I am. Well, that's all I got for you. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.